right, here we go. Number 160. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you get that noise, it's fine. That one's kind of a inevitable thing. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's wrong. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that 3 or 4? Take 3 or 4? I don't know. All right, number 2, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's take a look at, let's see, this guy. So the idea behind this, using the number chord progressions I sent you yesterday, is you want to find something, a way of going from one chord to the next, so the pattern applies to all 3 keys. So let's say I'm doing like, this is not going to be one of the progressions you do. I'm just picking something so we can have an example here. Make some changes. There we go. All right. So let's say we're doing a 6, 1, 5, 2. So looking over here on the key C, perhaps I start, let's see, why is this not doing what I want? That's not it. Hang on. What? All right, now it's working. Okay. Yeah, the 6, 1, 2, 5. So let's say I start over here. I go 6, I jump over to the 1, over to the 2 like this, down to the 5. So you certainly could do it that way. Change this over. So the 6, 1, 2, 5. 6, 1, 2, 5. Boom. Now, how would that work in the other keys though? In and staying within what we have to work with. So here's the 6 for the key G. And we went 6, 1, 2, 5. Yes, it does work there, so that would be appropriate. We could do that. 6, 1, 2, 5. 6, 1, 2, 5. Well, what about the key of F? Would it work there? Here's our 6. There's the 1, up to the 2, and down to the 5. So yes, it would. Also, need to come back here like that as well, because we're going all the way back there. So yeah, it would work for all 3 keys like that. So if what you come up with doesn't work for all 3 keys, well, got to get more creative then. You got to just try a different path. Now, that was just like the first thing I thought of there as an example, but I'll tell you this, that's not the way I would normally do it. So again, the 6, 1, 2, 5. So another place you could do it, wait a minute. Like if you started over here, you can go 6, 1, straight over to the 2, down over to the 5, and straight back over to the 6. That's how I would want to do it. 6, 1, 2, 5. 6, 1, 2, 5. So I'm looking for, when I do this, like what's a really simple way of going from one chord to the next that's easily movable. So we don't want to have a bunch of big jumps, if possible. Like going from here all the way to here, here, and then something like that. You could if you like the sound of something like that. But just to teach the numbered system, think about how we can simplify things. That's what I want you to do. Move as little as possible and make each of the patterns movable from key to key. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.